Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add timestamps to your YouTube videos. Timestamps are a great way to make your videos more user-friendly, allowing viewers to jump to specific sections easily. Let's get started. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu. In the YouTube Studio dashboard, click on the Videos tab on the left-hand side. Locate the video you want to add timestamps to and click on the On the Pen icon button next to it. This will show the video details, then click on the editor, which will display the timeline of your video. Pause the video at the point where you want to add a timestamp. Take note of the timestamp in the video playback progress bar. This will be the time you'll use for your timestamp. Scroll down to the video description box, located below the video playback area. Type the desired timestamp in the format of 0 o'clock or 0 hours, 0 minutes, and 0 seconds, representing minutes and seconds or hours, minutes, and seconds, respectively. Next to the timestamp, write a brief description of the section of the video it corresponds to. Repeat this process for each section of the video you want to timestamp. Once you have added all the timestamps and descriptions, scroll up and click on the blue Save button in the top right corner. Wait for the changes to save. This may take a few seconds. And there you have it. You've successfully added timestamps to your YouTube video. Now your viewers can easily navigate to specific sections. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.